Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a list on your Clickup. Let's get started. First, log into your Clickup account. Then in here you can choose a space where you want to create a list, or you can choose a folder. If you already have one, click on the plus button beside the folder or the space where you want to create a list. Then click on List. Now you can name your list however you want. Then just click Create. And that's it. You now have a list where you can add your tasks, which you can also customize, like the assignee member, the due date, and the priority of the task. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.